good, yeah. Not seen you yet. Cool of his front legs, isn't he? Come on now.
He's not that, but have you seen size numbers?
I can't believe PSG let him go.
It's not that, Dan. It's how he conducts his. Do you know what he's done?
Right, it's a disadvantage if you're that big.
He controls defence.
I don't think he's that fucking good, to be honest.
No, because he beat Liverpool.
It's not that, it's...
3 beds with 3 en suites. I'll tell you. It really depends how you know. But yeah, man, some like.
And in that dream, I were coming into.
I'll let him out.
Oh, that is fucking lovely. Come on. Send me some of this, Mark. Wow.
Nice is amazing.
Yeah, right.
You have no outside entity. Literally everything exists in your world. A difference of opinion, either far left or far right.
What's labour this?
What are you on about?
No. I go away to Sheffield. It's just because I've known her for years and I trust her with it, right? You know. Yeah. You've got to trust her. If you've got for it to work, you
Guarantee you just go like, Neil, I believe in you. I believe in you. You'll be like, Neil, why did I milk Pete and try to choose me before? Alright, get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6.
that'd be good.
No, fuck, get out of It's good to click it.
What's the advert? Tampax.
Has he not?
No. You won't be able to connect to it.
Why were
She's
you...
connected.
I can hear it though, in there though.
Yeah, but it's not connected to that. So it's just a
Just pause that.
Can't pause the tip off. It's coming out that back. No, Timbale. No, Timbale, come on. You like Timbale?
Yeah, you fucking nailed it.
Timbale, yo.
Like,
I like Timbale, you want body. Timbale, got the money. Timbale, what? Woo. I can't to your body. She says you've got lots of money. I wanna be Timbale.
Connect me, don't connect.
Yeah, like this one.
I need to connect. Honestly, I've got this tune.
He'll need to disconnect to allow you to connect.
Honestly, well, give me your tune. Give me that.
Yeah, not after this. Wait, this tune's finished.
Give me the fucking telephone.
What are you like?
Silly Billy.
When you're putting rough, it takes 9 days. So you can imagine. We've got to go back again. It takes 9 days to do
Is that an 18-old car?
What?
We'll sit out there.
I don't shut it, mate.
That's beautiful.
You know, every time that we play a tune and then I play one, we're going to reconnect. It takes 15 days. No, listen what he's saying. You won't be in him. You could both play it down. That's what he's trying to say. Is this yours?
Yeah, this is yours.
This is just going to be reconnected. Jesus Christ. So, yeah, I'm going to be proud of you.
I'll get Spotify on that fucking shit. I've got to see football or not.
Exact man.
No, just give me Spotify.
Yeah. The easy thing to do is just let me play it.
I'm helping you out.
But the easy thing to do is just let me play it.
Go back.
Tony, you don't pay it. You don't pay premium.
Jack, come on. I've been saying it for about fucking 5 hours. Just let me play the fucking tune.
Go back.
What I'm saying is, if he gets his phone, only speaking.
Yeah, but listen.
Simple, yeah? You should do it.
Don't do science tonight. Please don't do science.
No such night.
Just wanna be so quiet and peaceful.
No science
Neighborhood.
No science tonight. Just get him on his own. No science tonight. Or you even. No science tonight. No science. No science.
Music the bottom of you. So I say, I'm real, chill, meal. Dance with me, baby. Just go dance with me.
Dudley, if you came to my house now, I mean, it was. I would
I've been looking for the ages. I might not even
I
find what I'm looking for. Searching for the Holy Grail.
Bad, isn't it?
That's helping, Neil.
It's like.